Good morning. We are coming from the Sanibel Lighthouse this morning, located on the far eastern tip of Sanibel Island. It stands at 98 feet tall and was placed there in 1884 on August the 20th. Originally it used kerosene and had to be carried up the internal structure, and it was originally used for directing the ships coming from Cuba over to Punta Rasa, which was on the Fort Myers side of San Carlos Bay. The local cowboys, also known as Florida crackers, would load up their cattle onto ships that would then be sent to Cuba. The Sanibel Lighthouse was actually decommissioned in 2004, and although it's no longer needed for navigation, the city of Sanibel now owns it, and they do keep the lighthouse flashing. If you notice, there's two houses at the foot of the lighthouse. They're actually occupied by city employees. As you come round to the west of the island, you're going to see the fishing pier. It's made up of a T-dock. It's a very popular place for fishermen. Lots of redfish, snook, sheep's head, black drum, snapper. It's also a great place to see dolphin. They regularly feed around the end of the peninsula. The Sanibel Lighthouse Beach is also one of the most popular spots for shelling. Lots and lots of great shells here, especially after a storm. There are two parking lots here, one along the beach and then one right next to the T-dock by the fishing pier. There's also facilities such as public restrooms, picnic areas, barbecue grills, outdoor showers and a bike rack. This concludes the mini tour of the Sanibel Lighthouse. My name's Nick Adams. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you on the next one.